Hey, we had a great first day at the DesertJeepRat hobby shop. Joe came by to do a little work on his swing arm. If you don't know Joe, he wheels pretty hard and caught a rock on his tire and bent the mount for his swing arm, or tire swing. And so we had to reshape it a little bit, do some re-welding, and get it all buttoned up and put back together. The shop's a mess. I don't have everything organized yet. It was driving me crazy a little bit, working in complete chaos. Little chaos is good, but complete chaos is a little more than my comfort level. Joe's a really good fabricator and welder, if you're not aware. He's got some pretty mad skills on the welder, and he made quick work of this repair. But we were kind of in the midst of things and got a call that Kim and Robert had a trailer brake issue. Between that plate is a broken trailer frame. And so we did a little work there, got them buttoned up and on the road for now. We'll definitely need a long-term fix, a couple of long-term fixes to strengthen that overland trailer. But we wrapped up this, and then I hope the rest of the weekend to get the place organized and ship shape for whatever next upgrade or repair, or then working on the Willys Overland truck. I have not moved it yet. I want to get all of the tools and organization in place before I bring the trailer over and begin to do the next level or the next layer of fabrication on that. And I'll make a video of that as well.